shopping. This is Bhavanya here.
Example 1.5. Find a matrix A if adjoint A is equals to 7, 7 minus 7, minus 1, 11, 7, 11, 5 and 7.
Solution. In the question they are given that adjoint A is equals to 7, 7 minus 7, minus 1, 11, 7, 11, 5 and 7. We have to find that A. They are given the value of matrix adjoint A. We have to find the matrix A. So to find A, we have to derive a formula. That is, we know the formula A inverse is equals to 1 by modulus A into adjoint A. From this, to remove the A inverse, A is equals to 1 by modulus A adjoint of adjoint A. So now we get a formula like this. In this, we don't know the value of A. If we know the value of A means only we can find the value of modulus A. So we have to substitute in the modulus A root of modulus adjoint A. So A is equals to plus or minus 1 by root of modulus adjoint A into adjoint of adjoint A. Now this is the formula to find A. In this, we don't know the value of root modulus adjoint A and adjoint of adjoint A. So we have to find first root modulus adjoint A. So to find root of adjoint modulus adjoint A, we have to find modulus adjoint A first. So modulus adjoint A is equals to the same value of adjoint A matrix, but it is written inside the modulus. So to find the modulus of this, first we have to take 7 into, without considering the values which is in the first column and the first row, the remaining values has to be cross multiplied and subtracted. That is 11 into 7 is 77 minus 5 into 7 is 35. So we all know that in the matrix we have to use this method. That is, in the first place we have plus, in the second place we have minus. So minus 7. So we can write minus 7 into, without considering the values which is in the second column and the first row, the remaining values has to be cross multiplied and subtracted. That is, minus 1 into 7 is minus 7 minus 11 into 7 is 77 plus minus 7 into, without considering the values which is in the last column and the first row, the remaining values has to be cross multiplied and subtracted. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5 minus 11 into 11 is 121. Now we have to solve this. 7 into 77 minus 35 is 42 minus 7 into minus 7 minus 77 is minus 84 minus 7 into minus 5 minus 121 is minus 126. Now 7 into 42 is 294 minus 7 into minus 84 is minus and minus become plus 588. Next, minus 7 into minus 126. Here also minus and minus become plus 882. Now we have to add all these values. 294 plus 588 plus 88 plus 882. Now 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 40. 4, 1 is remainder. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26. So 6 here, 2 is remaining. 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. So we get the answer 1764. So 1764 is a modulus adjoint A. We have to root that value. So 1764, we have to root that value. So square root of 1764 is the value of root of adjoint modulus adjoint A. So next we have to find the value of adjoint A. To find adjoint of adjoint A, we have to take the cofactor of matrix adjoint A. Cofactor of matrix adjoint A is equals to matrix. The easy method of finding this is, we have to write like this: plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus and plus first with the brackets, then we have to fill the brackets. So to find this, we have to take a adjoint A matrix, that is 7, 7, minus 1, 11, 7, minus 11, 5 and 7. Now by hiding the values which is in the first column and the first row, we have to find the value of first place, that is 11. We have to cross multiply this and subtract. 11 into 7 is 77 minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. In the second place, we have to hide the value which is in the column 2 and the row 1. The remaining values has to be cross multiplied and subtracted. Minus 1 into 7 is minus 7. Minus 11 into 7 is minus 77. Same like this, we have to find the answers for every places. Example, if we are considering this place, we have to hide the column which is in the that place and the row in the that place. Now we are considering 11 means we have to hide the values which is in the same column, same row and in the same column. By solving we get like this. And this is the matrix of cofactor of matrix adjoint A, but we have to find the value of adjoint A. So adjoint of adjoint A is equals to cofactor of matrix A, the whole transpose. If we transpose that, the column will be changing into rows, rows will be changing into columns. That is 42 will be written here, minus 84 will be here, and 126 is here, 84, 126, minus 42 is here, and minus 126 is here, 42, 84 is here. This is the value of adjoint A. Now we know the formula. A is equals to plus or minus 1 by root modulus adjoint A into adjoint of adjoint A. In this we know the value of root of modulus adjoint A, that is root of 1764 into, we know the value 42, 80, minus 84, 126, 84, 126 minus 42, minus 126, 42 and 84. If we factorize this and we find the square root of this 1764, we get a 42. Now A is equals to plus or minus, we have to, here 1 by 42 is there, so we have to take inside and each value has to be divided by 42. That is 42 divided by 42 minus 84 divided by 42, like that. If we divide, we get an answer like this. A is equals to plus or minus 42 divided by 42 is 1, minus 84 divided by 42 is minus 2, again 3, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 1 and 2. This is the answer of A.
Like, share and comment. Subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.